Now, your first warning weather with meteorologist Bob Kovachick.
Well, kind of a rare day in November. It rained, although not a lot. We've had less than 1/10 of an inch of rain so far. The rain will begin to pull out pretty quickly during the mid to late evening hours and totally out of the viewing area by the sunrise hour. Behind it, chilly air, but roughly seasonably chilly for this time of the year. And once we move into the dry weather tomorrow, it should stay through the weekend. The only exception would be some of the hill towns and mountains and closer to the Great Lakes, which will get some snow showers as the chillier air moves on in. Radar satellite loop over the last 12 hours. There's the rain streaking up from the south. We mentioned yesterday we'd be near the northern fringe of that, and pretty much working out that way, although the northern fringe of rain has made it as far north as portions of Fulton County up into Warren County, but the northern Adirondacks, central northern Adirondacks have been pretty much free of rain during much of the afternoon, and all that rain is heading quickly off to the north and east. We'll see a good drying trend behind it. In fact, you can see the clear skies developing here. That will tend to fill in. The chilly air coming across the Great Lakes and into our region will boil up the clouds tomorrow, and perhaps a couple of snow showers here and there, primarily in the traditional snow belt areas to the west and over the mountains. Live Doppler radar looping for 3 hours. A pretty steady area of light rain, mainly in the green. The lightest rain is in the blue. We'll call it light to bordering on moderate rain at times, pushing across the vast majority of the viewing area, but really not much further north than Warren County into Fulton County and points north and west, all lifting off to the north and east over the course of the next few hours. Temperatures still in the 50s here today, our high of 55, but cooler to the west, already dropping to the 40s and 30s, and that chillier air will sweep into the region. So by morning, readings will be in the upper 30s and only rise to the mid 40s or so tomorrow afternoon. Clouds and rain around our satellite surface map. Over the last 24-hour period, that rain lifting on out. That'll be pushed away. Cool front sweeping through the area later on tonight, delivering a chilly, but as I said, roughly seasonably chilly air mass. And really for November, we've mentioned this several days in a row, which is usually one of our stormier months, at least from a standpoint of precipitation, rain or snow. It's been very dry up until today, and even this rainfall is not all that impressive. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the clouds linger. A couple of snow showers, downwind, perhaps Erie. A few snow showers over the mountains. Otherwise, we'll see more sunshine as we head on into the day on Friday, and especially so on Saturday, more sunshine, and then some clouds move back into the region later on in the weekend. High temperatures tomorrow, about 10 degrees or so, cooler than today, 40s in the valleys and upper 30s in the mountains. And for the next week, not a whole lot of change, mostly 40s and mid-50s, and essentially free of any storms the way it looks right now, he said. Rain this evening will end later on tonight, cool 39, 46 tomorrow, a bit of a breeze, colder. Clouds, a little sun, a couple of flurries, snow showers north and west in the mountains. 7-day planner, no drops, no flakes, no worries, no problems, we believe. 40s and 50s, so a fairly quiet November pattern. Sooner or later, no, I won't say it.
Don't go there.
I won't.
Okay.
Yeah, we know how that sentence ends.
Thanks, Bob.
Roger, up next, Big Board Sports, Sienna men's basketball team.